Today we will discuss about the state defense lawyer. What is a state defense lawyer? The lawyer who has been appointed by the state for the accused is called a state defense lawyer. As per provision of chapter 12 of the Legal Remembrance Rule 1960, if a person is charged with the offense punishable with death and the accused is economically insolvent to appoint an advocate to contest the case, in such a situation the trial court may direct the deputy commissioner concerned to appoint a lawyer for the economically insolvent accused to contest his case. This is the provision of a state defense lawyer. If any such order goes from the court to the deputy commissioner, in that case the deputy commissioner will appoint an advocate to support, to defend the accused, and the government will bear the expenses of that lawyer. That is why it is called a state defense lawyer, the lawyer appointed by the deputy commissioner for the accused. That is why he is called a state defense lawyer. What we have seen from this discussion, we have seen that for appointment of a state defense lawyer, the charge must be of an offense punishable with death or capital punishment, and the accused is facing the trial, and third one, the accused is economically insolvent. After meeting up these three conditions, I repeat again, the offense must be punishable with death, the accused is facing trial, but the accused is economically insolvent to bear the cost of appointment of an advocate. In such a situation, the court may direct the deputy commissioner to appoint a lawyer for the accused or to defend the defendant. But what we have seen, if an offense is punishable with capital punishment and the accused is absconding, in such a situation, the court itself appoints a lawyer to defend the absconding accused, which is not supported by the chapter 12 of the Legal Remembrance Rule 1960. This is the provision, and this is the ongoing situation under which an advocate is appointed by the court. The appointment of an advocate for the absconding accused not supported by the provision of Legal Remembrance Rule. Thank you for watching this video.